Voice User Interfaces, VUIs for short, are great for getting weather data when you are driving or doing the dishes.
Hey, weather assistant. What's the weather like today?
It is sunny and 10 degrees.
What about wind speed? Hey, weather assistant. What about the wind speed?
To learn about things you can do with your weather app, say help.
The problem is, errors can be incredibly frustrating and cause users to give up on the device. Strategies for handling VUI errors exist, but have not been studied in the context of weather VUIs. This project aims to close the gap. We surveyed the literature and pulled out several strategies that should make errors less frustrating for users. To test these strategies, we implemented them in a VUI flow. Rapid Reprompt quickly validates that the machine heard the user correctly. Escalating Detail provides information to let the user diagnose and rectify the error. Context Awareness changes the machine's behavior while an error is in progress. To test these strategies, we built a Wizard of Oz system to simulate a VUI. The system's web-based interface makes it easy to deploy and provide to test users.
What's the weather like today?
The wizard, in another room, listens to what the user says using a separate audio streaming service and responds to the user using the interface. The response is synthesized into speech and spoken by the user's interface.
Today it will be cold and raining.
To evaluate the error handling strategies, we performed an experiment with 10 participants. We found that Rapid Reprompt works well for ensuring the machine heard the user correctly. A simple phrase like, "Sorry, what was that?" causes users to repeat themselves more clearly. For example,
What's the wind speed today?
I'm sorry, what was that?
What is the wind speed today?
using escalating detail to provide sample sentences can cause users to change their phrasing to what the machine recommends. For example,
What will the relative humidity be in Vancouver, British Columbia at 8 p.m. today?
Sorry, I don't understand what you are asking for. You can ask for things like, what's the weather like today?
What is the humidity today?
an error counter is highly effective in controlling the flow of an error. If the VUI repeated itself, most users would stop talking to it. Our context-aware system would change what it says based on the number of errors that had occurred. After 3, it will kick over into a fallback grunt mode. While user satisfaction largely depends on the grunt mode, the simple context awareness gives the developer control of the conclusion of the interaction. This project has shown how error handling strategies work in the context of weather VUIs. Our Wizard of Oz system was effective for experimenting with error handling techniques, so we suggest using it to refine the recommended techniques